Salutations to all our future judges. In this video, we are going to see the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, Part 17, Sections 82 to 85. If you have not seen the earlier part, that is Part 16, I am providing the link in the iCard. You can click the link and see the earlier part, that is Part 16. If you want to see the entire playlist, I am providing the link of the playlist in the description. You can watch the entire playlist by clicking on that particular link.
Let us move to section 82. Execution of decree. There are certain things which we need to know when a decree is passed against the government or against the public officer who is acting in the official capacity, and that decree should be against the Union of India or a state. These 3 points are important. And when this particular decree can be executed, that is explained under subsection 2. Generally, when a decree is passed against the government or the public officer, as the case may be, 3 months time should be given to the government or the public officer to execute the decree, and that date starts from the date of decree. For example, on 13/1/2023, imagine they are given an order. Then 3 months time will be given starting from 13/1/2023, because the date of decree is 13/1/2023. Within the 3 months time, they are bound to comply. If they are not complying, then in that case, the decree can be executed. This is subsection 1 and subsection 2.
Let us move to subsection 3. There might be a question: if the decree is not given, instead of a decree, an order is given or an award is given against the government, then in that case, will provisions of subsections 1 and 2 apply? The answer is yes. But there are two conditions which are required. The first condition is that the order or award should be passed or made against the Union of India or state or public officer. It can be by a court or any other authority. That is not a problem. The second point is that that particular order or award should be capable of being executed under the provisions of the Civil Procedure Code or any other law which is in force at that particular time, as if it were a decree. So these two are the important points under subsection 3. Suits by aliens and by or against foreign rulers, ambassadors and envoys. Section 83. When aliens may sue. There are two things which we need to understand in this particular section. One is alien enemies, the other one is alien friends. If he is an alien enemy, if he is residing inside India with the permission of the central government, then he can sue in any court competent to try the suit. That is the first point. But if he is an alien enemy residing without such permission, then he cannot sue. Or if the alien enemy is residing in a foreign country, in such situation also he cannot sue. With respect to alien friends, they can sue as if they are citizens of India. Let us try to understand the explanation. Imagine a person is residing in a foreign country, and that country is, say for example, X country. That country is at war with India, and this person is carrying on business in that country, that is the X country, without a license given by the central government. In that case, that person is considered to be an alien enemy residing in a foreign country. Let us move to section 84. When foreign states may sue. A foreign state may sue in any competent court. That is the first point. The court should be competent. That is the first point. And when it can be done. If a foreign state is filing a suit, the object of that suit should be to enforce a private right vested in the ruler. The ruler will have some right, and to enforce that right, they can file a suit. Or if there is any officer of such state, then in his public capacity, he is acting and he wants to enforce a right. In that case also, a suit can be filed by a foreign state. Let us move to section 85. Persons specially appointed by government to prosecute or defend on behalf of foreign rulers. Let us move to subsection 1 under section 85. In case a foreign ruler requests the central government to appoint anyone on his behalf to defend or prosecute a suit, central government can appoint such a person. Or instead of the foreign ruler, any person competent in the opinion of the central government to act on behalf of such ruler can also make a request. When such a request is made, the central government can appoint a person to prosecute or defend the ruler or the person who is acting on behalf of the ruler. And the person so appointed to act on behalf of the ruler or the person competent will be considered as a recognized agent, and he can appear and he can act and he can even file applications under this code. Now let us move to subsection 2 under section 85. If there is an appointment made under this particular section, then it can be for a specified suit or for several specified suits. To put it in a simple manner, this appointment can be for one suit or this appointment can be for many suits as per the need or the requirement. Let us move to subsection 2. If an appointment is made under this particular section, then that particular appointment can be for a specified suit or for several specified suits. To put it in a simple manner, that appointment can be for one suit or any number of suits or for the purpose of all such suits as may be required from time to time. For example, there may be continuous cases. For example, some case may be filed in 2023, some case may be filed in 2024. So, combining all these things, a single appointment can be made. So, a person can be appointed on behalf of a ruler and he will be conducting all the cases whenever it arises. Let us move to subsection 3 under section 85. Now imagine the central government has appointed a person on behalf of a ruler to act on behalf of the ruler, and this person is a recognized agent. Now this recognized agent can appoint another person to make appearances and applications or to do any acts that are required in such suit or suits as if he himself were a party. To put it in a simple manner, imagine I am an agent. I can appoint another person to act on my behalf. That is permitted. If you like the video, please do press the thumbs up button and leave your comments in the comment section. And do subscribe the channel and also share the channel with your friends. Let us join hands together and contribute for a learned society. Thank you.